Hi there, I'm David from DEB Chartered Accountants. The government has had to spend billions to shore up the economy as a result of the COVID-19 lockdown measures. When the lockdown ends and we get back to any semblance of normality, they will need somehow to recoup the huge budget deficit that has been created. I mentioned in previous videos that there is an inevitability that tax rates are likely to rise sooner, if not later. However, HMRC are harvesting greater amounts of taxation by means of enquiries into taxpayers' returns. It is more than likely that they will add greater manpower resources to enquiry teams in order to rake in more tax from this source. Due to COVID-19, there are now additional areas that enquiry teams can concentrate on. These include the amounts that have been claimed by businesses in grants for the Job Retention Scheme and also for the Self-Employed Income Support Scheme. With the Self-Employed Income Support Scheme, one of the conditions of making a claim was that your business had been adversely affected by the coronavirus outbreak. No doubt the accounts for the current period would show lower levels of profit than shown in your prior year. But would this difference on its own be conclusive? HMRC could, for example, argue that the business was already in decline well before lockdown arrived. And possibly the downturn in results, they could argue, was not due to coronavirus, which was a necessary condition of making the claim. What if the original business was in fact seriously affected by lockdown, but the business then repositioned itself to manufacture, say, hand gel, and this new part of the business generated more profits in this year than did the original part of the business in the prior year? Will HMRC use the increase in profits to say that the business has not been adversely affected? The truth is, we don't know what they will do. They no doubt will have to temper their need to generate more income with the need to stay within what public opinion will accept. What about the Job Retention Scheme? Many directors will have furloughed themselves and claimed a grant for 80% of their wages. If they have claimed the furlough relief for themselves, then they must not do any work for the business other than fulfilling their fiduciary duties as a director. Will HMRC challenge this by asking to look at telephone bills and searching for business calls, or scanning emails for correspondence with customers? Again, we don't know what they will do. The rules for the grant schemes were put together in a rush, and consequently there are a lot of grey areas of uncertainty. We don't know how HMRC will view and interpret these in retrospect. All we can do is be aware of the likelihood of increased challenges from HMRC and prepare accordingly. Hopefully, their shortage of manpower may mean they don't get round to your business. If your accountant offers you fee protection insurance cover, as we do at DEB, then it may be a good idea to avail yourself of this, as the cost in professional fees in contesting an enquiry can be extremely high. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this with others to help them. Bye for now.